The Egg Quality 4-week meal plan is so convenient and easy to use. It lists out your entire meal plan every week by week, gives you grocery lists so that you literally just have to print it out and take it to the grocery store. So convenient. But a few of my favorite parts of it too are, even after the meal plan, it gives you these like quick fire lists, master substitution lists for kind of every piece of it, like the carbs, the protein, all the, just if you want to pick. And then it gives you this little like how to create your perfect meal, which is super convenient if you're just looking to throw something together after you've kind of gone through the meal plan. We've been through the meal plan now 4 weeks, and we're continuing to use recipes from it because they are so good. And we also are still pulling things from it because it's just so convenient, and my whole family actually really enjoyed it. So highly recommend. So easy to use, so convenient.